Back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of activating your Instagram account after deactivation. If you have previously deactivated your Instagram account and now want to reactivate it, this comprehensive guide will provide you with all the necessary steps. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. Locate the Instagram icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. In case of deactivation, you can activate your account at any time by simply signing in. On the login screen, enter your registered email address, phone number, or username, followed by your password. If you've forgotten your password, you can tap on the Forgot Password link to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. After entering your credentials, tap on the Login button. Instagram will now verify your account information and log you back into your reactivated account. Step 4. Once logged in, you may be prompted to review and update your account settings. Take a moment to go through the settings and make any necessary changes to ensure your account is set up according to your preferences. Step 5. Congratulations! Your Instagram account has been successfully reactivated. You can now start using the app and connecting with your friends, sharing photos and videos, and enjoying all the features Instagram has to offer. Reactivating your Instagram account allows you to regain access to your profile, followers, and previous posts. It's a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful guides. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.